Question 4i, show that the sum of 3 add 5r add 2 to the r between r is 1 and r is 16 is equal to 131,798. Now the best way that I could see of going about this question is to split it into 3 different summations. So the first one is to say that we're doing the sum of a series between r is 1 and r is 16 of 3, add the sum between r is 1 and r is 16 of 5r, add the sum between r is 1 and r is 16 of 2 to the r. So looking at this part here will simply just be 16 threes because we've got 3 being added together 16 times. This part here, we can use the formula of half n a plus l because this is going to be an arithmetic series. So the first term is going to be when r is 1. So when r is 1, the first term is 5. The last term is going to be when r is 16. So 16 5 is 80. And the number of terms is going to be 16. So we're going to have 16 over 2, lots of 5 add 80. And so that is going to, we'll sort all these out afterwards. And then the final one is going to be a geometric series because you've got 2 to the power of r. So we can say that the first term a is going to be 2 to the power of 1, which is 2. The common ratio r is going to be what is going to be times by each time. So if r is 1, then we get 2. If r is 2, we get 4. If r is 3, we get 8. So the r value is 2 because we're multiplying each value by 2 as we increase. So this is going to be a lots of r to the n minus 1 all over r minus 1. So here we've got an a value of 2, lots of 2 to the 16 take away 1 all over 2 take away 1. And so looking at these values, the first one, 16 times 3 gives a value of 48. Add the second one will give us a value of 680. And then our final one here will give us a value of 131,070. Adding those together will give us 131,798 as our solution. Part 2. A sequence u1, u2, u3 is defined by u of n plus 1 is equal to 1 over un, where u1 is 2/3. Find the exact value of the sum of the first 100 terms. So we know that u1 is 2/3. Now subbing u1 into here is going to be 1 over 2/3, which will give us u2, which will be 3 over 2. Subbing u2 into here to find u3 is going to be 1 over 3 over 2, which is going to be 2/3. u4 is going to be 3 over 2, etc., etc., and so on. So what we can see is we're going to have 50 lots of 2/3 and 50 lots of 3 over 2 because all even u's will be 3 over 2, and all odd u's will be 2/3. So 50 lots of 2/3 times 50 lots of 3 over 2, and that will come to a total of 325 over 3.